Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the Kendriya Vidyalaya vacancies, and here the opportunities are there for the diploma, UG and PG. So the candidates who finish the undergraduation with any stream, so you can apply to this post, guys. Let us see the details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is a notification released by the Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mehboobabaad. So I will provide this PDF link at the end of the description box of this video. So for more details you may check down, and we will see this notification in brief. That means on which subject the vacancies are there, and what is the qualification, okay, and what is the last date, and how to apply. All these details we will see. So actually this notification released on 18th March 2021. And a walk-in interview for the appointment of contractual teachers for the year 2022-21. Okay. So this contract period is maximum period of 1 year, that is 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022, or till regular incumbent joins or as per need, whichever is applicable. Okay. And few general instructions are given here. Applicants are directed to download the biodata form uploaded on the website of Vidyalaya, that is mehboobabad.kvs.ac.in, and submit at the time of interview along with the original certificates or documents of the required qualification. Okay, and the interview is conducted for all the posts. That means there is no written test for this one. Okay, based upon the applications, they are going to call directly for the interview, and the post is purely temporary basis. No TADA will be provided or else paid for attending the interview. And the candidate must have the good knowledge in teach English as well as in Hindi also, and all the original documents must be submitted at the time of verification, and one interview along with one set of photocopies. So candidates who are applying for more than one post, the separate applications has to be submitted, and the non-seated candidates may be considered subject to the availability of seated pass candidates for the PRT and the TGT. And the candidates having experience in teaching CBS syllabus will be preferred. Okay, so these are the subjects, guys. So while coming to the TGTs, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Science, Social Science, Maths and Art, and the date of interview is given as 25th March 2021, and the registration time is given here. Coming to the sports coach and data entry operator, PRTs, and the computer instructor, counselor and the nurse. Okay, you may check down here the date of interview in this table. And coming to the qualification for the PRT, senior secondary school certificate with 50% of marks, and intermediate with 50% of marks, in basic teachers training 2 years, or else a B.Ed. Okay, pass in CTET, or graduation with 50, B.Ed with 50%, so preferably pass in the CTET, and the proficiency in the teaching through Hindi as well as the English medium. And while coming to the trained graduate teacher, TGT, essential requirements are 4 years integrated degree course of Regional College of Education of NCERT in the concerned subject with at least 50% of marks in aggregate, or else a bachelor's degree with at least 50% of marks in the subjects. Okay, and the subjects are given here: Sanskrit, Hindi, English, okay, as well as maths. And while coming to the ST, history, geography, that means any two of the following: history, geography, economics and political science, of which one must be either history or geography. And in science, okay, while coming to the maths, bachelor's degree in maths with any two of the following subjects: physics, chemistry, electronics, computer science or statistics. And coming to the TGT, botany, zoology and chemistry. Fine. So pass and CTET conducted by the CBSE, and the desirable thing is proficiency in teaching both English as well as the Hindi. And coming to the computer instructor, so at least 50% of marks in aggregate of the following: so BE or BTech computer science, or else a BE or BTech any stream, and post graduate diploma in computers from recognized university, or else MSc computers, MCA, and BSc or BCA, okay, PG diploma in computer and postgraduate degree. Okay, so these are the different qualifications. And the educational counselor, and for the games and sports coach and the nurse also given here. So for more and accurate details, I will provide this PDF link at the end of the description box of this video. So you may check down, guys. The interested and eligible candidates may apply, and share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to this department. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide